back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is in the healthcare field, and it is non-phone. We are going to dive on in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the healthcare company Devoted Health. They have 217 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a proofreader. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only, and this is a 1099 contract position. But they are basically looking for someone to proofread healthcare documents. It says they're looking for a full-time proofreader to join their growing marketing team. You'll be responsible for proofreading their prospect and member-facing marketing materials, including government-regulated materials, making sure they have clarity and accuracy. This means you'll be reviewing detailed plan benefit information as well as plain language marketing materials. So, for example, if they're putting out a document telling Medicare patients that Medicare covers these services and all that, you might have to fact check that to make sure that you're not putting out any information. So you'll confirm the health plan information in the marketing materials matches the source of truth documentation to verify benefit accuracy. You'll review regulatory plan materials against CMS or Centers for Medicare and Medicaid model documents for alignment. So basically, you'll have the Medicare documents and you'll have your marketing documents, and you need to make sure the information that Medicare says is covered is stated correctly in your document. So it's basically just reading through the information on both documents and making sure that everything lines up. If it says premiums are this price, you need to make sure that your document says premiums are that price. You'll ensure the correct disclaimer language is on the marketing documents as required by regulatory guidance. You'll line edit and proofread all the marketing materials, checking for formatting inconsistencies, grammatical accuracy, and spelling errors. So it is literally just taking two documents, fact checking to make sure they say the same thing, and making sure there's no spelling and grammar errors. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They're looking for someone who is extremely detail-oriented, who has a strong English grammar, who can be a self-starter. Of course, if you have healthcare experience, that is a plus, but that is not required. They do need somebody who has 2 to 4 years of some kind of editing experience already, someone who has great organizational and communication skills. They prefer somebody who has experience using different style guides such as AP Style and experience with like Google Drive and different systems like that. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That is dependent on location and experience and will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do offer a standard benefit plan that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. They're also going to give you $100 a month mobile or internet stipend, so they're going to pay for your internet service. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. And also, if you have any suggestions on things I could do differently and how I could change things up on this channel to make these videos more helpful to you, please leave those suggestions down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.